Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a good Greek salad. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 large, ripe tomatoes, 1 crisp cucumber, and half a red onion, thinly sliced. Don't forget a generous handful of Kalamata olives. These core components are essential for that authentic, vibrant taste we all love. Preparing them properly is key to a delicious outcome. Next, let's talk about the star, feta cheese. Always opt for a block of authentic Greek feta, not the pre-crumbled kind. Crumble it yourself over the salad for a creamier texture and richer flavor. For the dressing, combine about 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Add a teaspoon of dried oregano, then season with salt and pepper to taste. This simple dressing truly enhances the fresh ingredients. Now it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently combine your chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and thinly sliced red onion with the Kalamata olives. Pour the dressing evenly over the mixture, tossing lightly to coat everything without bruising the vegetables. Finally, crumble your block of feta cheese directly over the top. This ensures each bite gets a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Serve immediately for the freshest taste. Your delicious, easy Greek salad is now ready to enjoy. It makes a fantastic side dish for almost any meal, or a light and refreshing main course on its own. Try pairing it with some grilled chicken or warm pita bread for a truly satisfying experience. This simple method ensures a flavorful and authentic result every time. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.